World most advanced fighter jet F-35 we have seen in India in Aerospace 2023, and USA tried to show that how the relation between both country is in a golden phase. Hello and good morning everyone. Today my lecture topic is India and USA relationship. Friends, we have seen in colonial era both country relation were happening through the trade purpose, and after the independence, uh, India was following non-aligned movement, and also in 1971 war, USA did not support India and supported Pakistan, and in Kargil war again. But after the terrorist attack of 9/11, both countries started working together for anti-terror operation. And today, after the Prime Minister Modi of 2014, both country relation become a historical, and both engagement have done in numerous kind of field. And today both are working together in a quad. Both have 2+2 dialogue meeting. Also, USA favored CARTSA Act, and USA also favored in India's buying Russian oil in the time of Ukraine-Russia crisis. Friends, if I talk about area of cooperation between both the country, then first is political. Both country have a good exchange of visit from the top officials. Also, Prime Minister Modi visited numerous kind of America, as well as USA always support for the permanent membership of India. Friends, second is defense. Today, this field is become the major area of cooperation between both country. Today, both are engaged in COP India, Youth Abhyas, also Malabar exercise, and both special forces also work together for anti-terror operation. And India have buy many defense equipments and helicopters from the USA. Friends, third is trade. Today, we have seen recently how Indian airline have bought Boeing and signed a deal with USA, and that will generate more than 10 million jobs in United States of America. Fourth is tourism. More than Indians, most of Indian visited USA, and also Indian students. The USA is a favorite destination for Indian students, and some other cooperation in diaspora, like more than 240 million Indians live in USA, that is 1% of the population, and all are working in a IT field, doctor, engineer, and also Indian origin leaders are working in a political. Friends, we have seen in space sector how the both NASA and ISRO work together and develop a NISAR satellite that will launch from the India. Friends, there are some area of concern also, like H1B visa issues, Russian oil buying issues, as well as the Iranian oil issues, and India is hugely dependent on the Russian defense equipments and weapons, and also there is an issue of Pakistan between both the country. Friends, in my conclusion, as today we can see how the China is major threat for India and USA, how the Chinese spy balloon float over the USA in recent time, and USA warned India that this can also happen to you. So both are working together in a quad, both are engaged in Indo-Pacific, and India is a natural ally for USA in that region. And today both are also engaged in 2+2 dialogue meeting and in many defense exercise that will help both countries to fight against terrorism and to establish a good free exclusive zone in the Indo-Pacific region. Thank you.